Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can resume and edit the last note view in the Notes app directly from the lock screen on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings, and in the Settings page, go down and tap on Notes. Next, you want to go down and tap on Access Notes from Lock Screen. In here, choose Resume Last Note. And in here, tap on View in Notes app. And on the bottom part, you can set some security measure. So if you choose after 5 minutes, then after 5 minutes, the note will automatically be locked and you will need to put in a password to resume. You can also choose always or after 1 hour, after today, or never. So depending on how secure you want your note to be. So let's say if I choose always, and if I tap on the back key here to go into settings, and then you want to go into Control Center. In Control Center, you want to add in the note shortcut. So tap on Add Notes. Okay, so once you tap on that, it will be added to the included controls section. And from here, you can swipe down the control center. You can see now there is a shortcut for your Notes app. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the lock screen. I swipe down the control center and I can tap on the Notes shortcut. And you can see now it will ask me to put in the passcode. So to remove the passcode, you can go into settings. So I'm going to go down to Notes. And in here, tap on Access Notes from lock screen. And I say choose maybe after 15 minutes. So do not keep asking me to put in the passcode. You can do that after 15 minutes. Okay, so I'll go back to my lock screen. And now I will open the notes. And you can see this time, it won't ask me for a password. Unless I leave my phone idle for 15 minutes, then I will need to put in a password. And that's it. And that's how you can use that feature on your device. Now you can see if I swipe up, it will go back to the lock screen and will ask me to put in the passcode. And that's it. Now I can put in the passcode. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.